Deep in the cloud forests of South America, the club-winged manakin has got a serenade that will leave you gobsmacked. However, this isn't your typical sing-song. This performer doesn't use his voice at all. Flinging his wings into the air, he vigorously vibrates them together at such high speeds they emit a high-pitched sound. This bird sings with its wings. To withstand this repeated beating, the club-winged manakin has a unique avian design blueprint. Unlike your average bird with hollow wings and feathers, this fella's got solid wing bones and 2 club-shaped wing feathers. A design custom built for their show-stopping solos, making them one of nature's top performers.